We have been getting many questions about support for new languages, custom antennas, or icons for channels. Usually, brand owners solve these problems when they make authorizes for their brand. In actuality, anyone can configure localization with a fairly straightforward process. Let's go over it in this video. We will begin with some preparation work. Configure new satellites and scan the channels. The process of satellite lookup for 3D LNB antenna was covered in videos 9 and 10. This preliminary configuration will allow us to make some updates later and quickly verify the result. So, what is an extension? Essentially, it is an archive. We can rename CRX file to zip and uncompress it. Let's begin with the question of new language support. Go to the folder, open the file locales. Add German language. Add the German translation for the menu item STB connection. And following the same process, add the translation for all other menu items. Save the file. Open the folder and open this file setpost init config. We recommend leaving the order of files using init and set unchanged. You can find this on websites such as langsat.com. Actually, there is a channel editor that synchronously updates the order in the receiver. But what we can change here is the path to the folder with icons and the names for the icons. Let's change the folder name to PyCons. Icons will make the channel display much nicer. Save the file. Next, every region has some popular antennas. We can add them to the file dish config. You can see a list of models for each known manufacturer. The antenna size value is rather informational at this point. But the offset value can be taken from the report or from the measurement. Please watch video 10. Each model will have its own offset value. So, let's add the manufacturer, the model, and the offset. Save the file. Verifying the updates. Now compress the extension back to zip file. And rename it to CRX. Load the PyCons folder and the extension on the smartphone. Open the browser. Navigate to Extensions. Turn on the developer mode. Click on Load. And pick an extension. Okay, our extension has been installed. Navigate to it and verify that German language is now available. Connect. Then go to antenna configuration. Select Hotbird. Turn on 3D function. Input the LNB serial number. Go to the dish pointing. We can confirm that the manufacturer and the antenna model are now both added. Exit and open the playlist generated with the last search. For brevity, we scanned only one transponder with 5 open channels. Now we can verify that each channel also has an icon. Task complete.